National President National People's Party NPP but Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Conrad ke sangma ula Kyntu yu Menteri Rangba du ke India Narendra Modi but kumju yu Menteri Kampo Yeng ke India Amit Shah pakin hiar ke Jela Manipur kenang ban penkun no ke jinge kana dak ke Jela ke plane bynta yu menta ya kan yu Menteri Rangba ula kran hading ke jingelang blokot penlong do Menteri Kampo Yeng ke sarkar Amit Shah halo ke jingja Manipur ha boleh don rengkat ru dak nongelam nak seng sanyima ha bagi lapan pau jing sokya halo ke jingja ha ke Jela.
A meeting was called today by the Honorable Home Minister, Shri Amit Shah ji, for all the political parties to come and discuss about the prevailing situation in Manipur. In the meeting, all the political parties, including the National People's Party, has expressed concern over the situation that's prevailing in Manipur right now. And we have urged the government of India that all necessary steps which need to be taken to ensure that peace returns back to the state of Manipur must be taken. At the same time, it is very important for the confidence building of the people of Manipur, and hence steps should be taken by the government of India, including the visit of Honorable Prime Minister along with the Honorable Home Minister and if possible other political leaders also to the state of Manipur to bring the confidence to the people and also to appeal to the people that we must look towards peace and ensure that the state of Manipur is again back to normalcy, and we share a commitment to ensure that we will all work together and work in whatever way possible to play our role and our part to bring in peace in the state of Manipur, especially keeping the overall national interest in mind.
Dr. Dipankar Das, DM Cardiology, MD Medicine, na Swagat Hospital, Guwahati, Undon Hanongba, Shillong, Haka Arbasautric Ujilio, Arhajar Arpulai, Nadu Kapor, Katway Baji Minstep, Howardland Hospital. Undon Ru, Hakasi Sajan, Kabasau, Man Lau Benai. Kino Gibran Jingpang Longsnam, Kilaban one is Silok you. Call how number, Kandai not, Prakandai, not Kandai, Nyo Kandai, not Nyo.